Hi, this is Tracy from the Cake Craftery. Today I'm going to show you how to make these translucent flowers out of spring roll wrappers. Let's get started. You're going to need about 8 rice paper or spring roll wrappers. You can buy these at most supermarkets or Asian grocers. Work on a plastic or silicone mat. You will also need some food colouring of your choice and some plain tap water and 5 lengths of floral wire. Pour about 1 centimetre of water into a shallow dish or bowl that has a bigger circumference than your rice paper wrappers. Now add about a teaspoon of your food colouring gel, or less if you want a more subtle shade. Now you're going to soften your rice paper in the coloured water 1 sheet at a time. Make sure the rice paper is fully submerged and leave for about 40 to 60 seconds until soft. When it's nice and soft, take the rice paper sheet out of the water and lay it flat. At this stage you can remove some of the excess liquid with a paper towel if you like. Now start to form your petal shape. Pull the rice paper into a point on one side and manipulate the rest of it until it's a shape that you like. Now I'm going to form a mound under my silicone mat to give the petals some movement when it's dried. While the rice paper is still wet, it's soft and pliable and sticky enough to attach to some florist wire without any sort of glue. Just give it a good squeeze. Repeat the process until you have 6 large petals. Cut 2 more sheets into segments to make the smaller inner petals. Soak and shape the small petals the same way you did the big ones. You can leave all your petals to dry overnight, or you can put them in a low oven for 15 minutes or so, or you can dry them off with a hairdryer. If you use the hairdryer, you can manipulate the shape somewhat as you're drying them. Here I'm using some foil to give the edge of the petal a bit more shape. I'm going to use a whole bunch of stamens, double-ended ones, so I need to cut off one end. I'm wrapping these tightly with some floral tape. Once you've added the small petals, you can now do the outer layer of large ones. Tape all your wires together with floral tape to make one stem. And there you have it, a beautifully translucent fantasy flower.